You're not remembering FIFA World Cup 2002 because it had amazing graphics. You're remembering it because of who you were when you played it. No PS2, no online gaming, just a PlayStation 1, a memory card, and a summer full of football. Ronaldo, Ronaldinho, David Beckham, staying up to watch the matches, just so you could talk about them the next day at school. FIFA World Cup 2002 wasn't just a game, it was how a lot of us experienced the 2002 FIFA World Cup. Were you still playing it on a PlayStation 1? Or had you moved on to the PlayStation 2?